Hi guys, it's Sherry and I'm back. Only Penny Lee and Julie M have gotten back to me as winners and the other three have not. And so therefore we're going to pick some more winners. Okay, let's go for the first replacement winner is... that's Michelle Nielsen. Congratulations, Michelle. Next one is 27. That is somebody that I already chose who didn't get back to me. So we'll go on from there to 14. Congratulations, Mrs. Loretta! Okay, so Mrs. Loretta, a long time subscriber and viewer and commenter of my channel. Congratulations. And one more. Number 2, right at the top of the list, if I can find the top of the list, is Susan W. Congratulations, Susan. So you guys need to either send me a private message on YouTube, send me a private message on Instagram at Sherry, SHERIREHO, or send a private message to my Facebook, The Eyes Have It page, which is The Eyes Have It Beauty and Skincare. And and you need to pick some categories of prizes. So I will insert these after this video, like I did with the last one. Congratulations! Get back to me within 2 days, please.